Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different than what I normally do on this channel. For starters, we're going to be looking at a camera, sort of. This is an Activion CX. It's basically a GoPro clone. These are relatively cheap. I picked this up at Micro Center on their semi-Black Friday deals for $60. They normally are about $120, which is still considerably cheaper than a GoPro. However, these have a nice full-color screen on the back. They have the similar kind of fisheye lens thing going on that you get with your normal GoPro, and you'll notice it picks up fingerprints like nobody's business. But we're not actually going to be reviewing this today. The reason I bought this was to be able to do time-lapse videos, because I have tried and tried and tried to get good time-lapse footage using my Logitech, what's this thing? It's one of the 1080p Logitech webcams. I've tried to use that to do time-lapse footage with some software, and I could just never get it to work reliably for the 8 16-hour prints that I was doing on my printer. And yes, I want to be able to do time-lapse footage of 3D prints. So I just ended up settling for one of these, and I think it worked fairly well. So what better way to test out the camera and the printer than to print some holiday-related things? Since Christmas is coming up, I decided to print a Christmas tree decoration. So let's go ahead and watch the time-lapse of that. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, now that time-lapse wasn't exactly the best I've ever seen, but it's not bad either. The lighting was a little bit dim in here. Actually, it's very dim where the printer was. I was relying upon the single really cold white LED strip that's in the printer to, basically provide all of the light. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it was really quite enough, so the footage came out a little bit on the grainy side. However, the print turned out okay. Let's see if I can get it in frame here. It's quite large. It's a very interesting kind of geometric design here. Unfortunately, you can see here we had some slicing issues. There's a few gaps in the print itself, and I thought, oh man, it must be clogging. But no, I went back into Simplify 3D, and in fact it actually sliced it like that, and the original model did not have those gaps, so I'm thinking there were some errors. And you'll notice there's also some little black spots here because I had black filament loaded in here before this slightly metallic yellow, and it was still stuck on the bottom of the nozzle a little bit, so we were getting little bits of that coming off as it went through the print. So yeah, not wonderful quality print, but it's not bad. And if you're wondering, the printer that it was printing on was a PowerSpec Ultra 3D, which is actually a rebranded FlashForge printer. The interesting thing about these particular printers is FlashForge doesn't actually sell that model It uses the same internals as the FlashForge Dreamer, but it has the same outer body construction as the FlashForge Creator Pro, which is really kind of interesting because the FlashForge Creator Pro has the better body and the FlashForge Dreamer has a better touchscreen interface on them. So it's like they kind of took the best of both of their printers, smashed them together into one, and made it a Micro Center exclusive item from what I can see, which I'm very pleased with these printers. We actually have 2 of them now. They're excellent workhorses of machines. I really, really love them. And that touchscreen interface makes it so nice to just do all the functions with it. There's a lot of nice built-in utilities for loading and unloading filament. And they work pretty easily with Simplify 3D. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little time lapse there. It's nothing too major, but I figured I would post it anyway since it shows off what this camera can do a little bit. I think if I get some better lighting over there, I will be able to get a little bit better footage. So I believe I will do that before I do the next time-lapse video. I may also mount the camera closer to the build plate. Right now I kind of have it mounted upside down off of the top of the frame of the printer, so it's a little tricky to position it the way I've got it going. But anyway, guys, keep making stuff and stay classy. See you guys later.